Today, I'm going to show you our new feature, Chat 4.0. Now you can take advantage of helpful features on top of the standard chat facilities. You can tag people as you would on social media by typing the @ symbol and then their name. As you can see here, they'll be notified with a pop-up. Next, you can quickly express your opinion on any comment by holding down on it and selecting a reaction. When you type in a URL, it will bring up a preview of that associated website. And our most exciting feature, users of wearable assisted reality devices or smart glasses can now take photos which are posted directly into the chat. This allows other users to then mark up and annotate over that image. The user of the wearable device can then view the marked up image and gain clarity. Wearable devices can also send full quality images directly from the camera they have, even if the bandwidth is low. At the end of every call, you can export the entire chat transcript from your dashboard as a PDF to enable you to audit every element of any session you host. If you want to learn more or book a demo, speak to the team.